I like India. I love India. That's why I came here.
I really love India. Yeah, then I love Indian people also, right?
I have always known about Nalanda. You see, Nalanda means na alam dadati iti Nalanda. That means which never gives you less in terms of knowledge.
Then I choose Nalanda because we have same history about Buddhism and Hinduism in Indonesia and here.
Nalanda's rich historical and cultural significance adds a layer of depth to the learning experience.
माइगव में आपका स्वागत है। मैं आपका दोस्त कोरक रॉय और आज एक ऐसी जगह पे मैं आया हूँ जहाँ आके नॉस्टैल्जिया से भर चुका हूँ, क्योंकि बचपन में हिस्ट्री क्लासेस में मैं इस जगह के बारे में पढ़ा करता था। नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी 16,000 साल पहले नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी एक वर्ल्ड रिनाउंड यूनिवर्सिटी था। दुनिया भर में मशहूर, दुनिया भर के स्कॉलर्स यहाँ पर पढ़ने आते थे, पढ़ते थे मल्टीपल सब्जेक्ट्स जैसे मेडिसिन, फिलॉसफी और भी कई सारे। सो मच सो कि हमारे भारत देश के मैथमेटिक्स के फादर, पायनियर जिसे कहते हैं, आर्यभट्टा, जिन्होंने जीरो इन्वेंट किया, वो भी नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ाते थे 16,000 साल पहले। और आज हम आपको लेकर आए हैं नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी के लेटेस्ट कैंपस में, जिसे इनॉग्रेट किया था प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी ने इसी साल के जून में। तो चलिए, माइगव आपको दिखाने वाला है दैट व्हाई नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी इज ट्रूली अ वर्ल्ड क्लास प्लेस फॉर स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम अक्रॉस द ग्लोब। लेट्स गो। One year here as a student at Nalanda University been like? How's the experience been?
I like India. I love India. That's why I came here. I experienced here in Nalanda University. At first that I arrived here, that I am so excited because for a monk who has come to abroad alone.
I think like as a Buddhist study students, there's a lot of every day that you're studying about dharma and about the ancient Nalanda masters. So I feel like I'm in the right place because you get to know so much about the ancient Nalanda Mahavihara and how that cognizes with the present modern society that India is, especially in Bihar, and what enlightenment for Bihar was in the older times. So I feel like I'm very blessed, firstly, to be studying in such a university, and secondly, I feel like my experience has been immaculate. Like last year, we had begun to feel like such a community within our classroom, and not only that, but also my parents came to the university, which was a big moment for me.
I am doing Masters in World Literature from Nalanda University.
I'm a classmate. I'm also in the same course, World Literature.
So Nalanda, in its name itself, is a big thing. So I was fascinated by it, and I was very much interested and intrigued to explore how this new university, which is being revived as the Nalanda International University. So I wanted to see how the system is going to be here and how the academics, and so I decided to pursue world literature. And when I came here, I saw that I have people across the globe. So I think it is the best place to get exposed to different cultures and study this world literature.
In terms of research, which I don't think most of the university have that kind of environment, it's very good. And being from a Sanskrit background, I have always known about Nalanda. You see, Nalanda means na alam dadati iti Nalanda. That means which never gives you less in terms of knowledge.
आनो भद्रः क्रतवो यन्तु विश्वतः, यानी सभी दिशाओं से नेक विचार हमारी ओर आए. This is the mantra of one of the greatest centers of learning in ancient times and the world's first residential university. But what sets Nalanda apart in today's world?
I think that Nalanda is from the very beginning, so many years ago, when in the 5th century Nalanda was established, it was founded. It was the first residential university of the world. So that sets it apart. It is the pioneer institution. It began the system of education which was later adopted by the world as a residential institution where people, the teachers and the students would be together spending a big part of their lives of learning and It's more of with the approach that when the two minds, the giver of knowledge and the seeker of knowledge, they interact, their new knowledge emerges, and that is what Nalanda had visualized centuries ago.
But who was behind the revival of this ancient university?
The government and the government under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has done a massive contribution towards Nalanda University.
After the government of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, that is after 2014, that university has received proper monetary support from the government of India, and till date we have received flawless support from government of India. Every year we have received fund and budget according to our allocation and according to our requirement.
यहाँ की जो एंटायर ब्यूरोक्रेसी है वो जो है मोदी जी के विज़न के साथ है और माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का पूरी तरह से समर्थन है, चाहे यहाँ का जो क्यूरिकुलम का डेवलपमेंट हो, किस तरह के कोर्सेज पढ़ाए जाएंगे, उसमें पूरी तरह से ऑटोनॉमी स्वायत्ता दिए हुए हैं.
Students from across the globe now study here. But what made them choose Nalanda University?
So why I come to India is because of Nalanda University.
The reason is because it's the oldest university and the beauty of Nalanda is what I wanted to explore more coming here.
Nalanda's rich historical and cultural significance adds a layer of depth to the learning experience, and also Nalanda also over ideal environment for me to grow personally, academically and professionally. That's why I chose Nalanda.
I was interested in Indian philosophy specifically, and so I wanted to go abroad as well. So the connection was, I want to go to India to study Indian philosophy. And so I did some research, I talked to some professors, and in the end, Nalanda had the best curriculum for me.
State-of-the-art facilities inspire learning and discovery at every corner. A healthy body fuels a sharp mind, and Nalanda's got it all covered. From classroom to cafes, this campus is a vibrant hub of ideas and friendships. This revival wasn't just about rebuilding walls, but about reigniting the spirit of learning. Under the visionary leadership of PM Modi, Nalanda University has once again emerged as a global center of knowledge and learning.
My God, my experience here has been absolutely amazing. I want to tell you all कि अगर आप एक यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशन के बारे में सोच रहे हैं, I don't think you need to look further than Nalanda University. और उसके बाद वो सारी वर्ल्ड क्लास फैसिलिटीज जो हमने आपको दिखाई इस वीडियो में, वो सारे आप एंजॉय कर सकते हैं एज अ स्टूडेंट हियर.
We love Nalanda.